Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. What is the store offset command and how can we work with that? Let's jump right in. So let's assume we have some very badly mounted lighting fixtures like here. And we would like to create some presets. Then I would go first, like turn them on, put the pan and tilt values to 0, store this now, store right here, start it. Let me go to fixture 1 please. Now correct this with the tilt. Fixture 2 is fine, fixture 3 needs to be adjusted, and fixture 4 needs also to be adjusted. Okay, now they are hanging perfectly. And let's go to store, press the MA key plus update, that means offset. And now please merge. Now clear the programmer. As you can see here, the fixtures are now standing still. And if I'm going to 1 through 4, now I can, for example, enter a value of 20. Now they all go to 20 degrees to the front in the tilt. Let me have a look at the live patch. And there you can see there's now a tilt offset for fixture 1, for fixture 3, and for fixture 4. And this is corrected. This is really cool because now we can make some presets, let's say like this, and make a align inside. Store this as position 1. And let's make a align outside, position 2. So now let's assume we are going to a new location and the fixtures are now mounted correctly. Then we need to remove the tilt offset. And I'm going to change this also on the lights. So the fixtures are now hanging correctly. And if we're going to use the presets, this will also work. 1 through 4. Let's click position 1 and position 2. So you see the offset is really cool because it's self-calculated by the GrandMA 3. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please like it and subscribe it. See you next time. Bye bye.